See the next one, we go on to the factors. See, you must have understood multiples. Now next one is factors. See, there were two children, Abdullah and Fatima. So with this factors, I'll tell you a small story. Abdullah and Fatima. See, Fatima had 4 cream biscuits and even Abdullah had 4 cream biscuits. Now what? Fatima was so fond of cream biscuits. So what did Abdullah did it? Wanted to tempt her. You'll give you a biscuit. You tell me, you just give me an answer. So what was the question asked by Abdullah was, write 8 as the product of 2 numbers. Write 8 as a product of 2 numbers. So this is the question he gave. Now what immediately Fatima did? She started putting 8 balls. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now what she did immediately? She started splitting into 2, 2. Now what is it? 4 into 2. 4 into 2, 8. Now another way what she did? Now another way what she did? She did in this way. That is 2 into 4 is 8. Now another way what she did? She just took one biscuit. That is 1 into 8 is 8. See now what Fatima did for our product for number 8. She started writing 4 2s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 1 8s are 8. So now what are the factors for this number 8? 1, 2, 4 and 8. So these are all called as the factors. For factors or factors of number 8. For factor number 8, 1, 2, 4 and 8. See what is factors? If a number can be written as a product of 2 or more numbers, those numbers are called as factors. Now I'll repeat once again, are called factors. So now what are factors? See, if a number can be written as a product, of 2 or more numbers, these numbers or those numbers are called as the factors. I'll repeat, if a number can be written as a product of 2 or more numbers, those numbers are called factors. See, I told you 4 2s are 8. Here again 2 4s are 8. 1 8s are 8. So this 1, 2, 4 and 8 are the factors for number 8. I'll repeat once again. If a number can be written as a product of 2 or more numbers, those numbers are called as factors. See the next one, find the factors. Again the same way, find the factors of 20, 18, 24, 36. Now same way I told, 20, 1 20s are 20. Then 10 2s are 20. Then 4 5s are 20. 5 4s are 20. Then, so what are the factors for number 20? You will write 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. So these are the factors for number 20. 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Now for 18. 1 18s are 18. Then 2 9s are 18. Then 3 6s are 18. Then, so 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. So these are factors for number 18. Now for 24 again. 1 24s are 24. Then 2 12s are 24. Then 3 8s are 24. Then 4 6 are 24. 6 4s are 24. Then 8 3s are 24. So this is how you will start writing it. Now what you have to do is, for this 24, you will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. So these are the factors for number 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Now the last one for 36. 136 are 36. Then 2 18s are 36. Then again 18 2s are 36. You will write in this way. Then 3 12s are 36. Then 6 6 are 36. Then again 4 9s are 36. Now what are the factors for this 36 again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. So these are the factors for number 36. So this is how you will write it. Find the factors. Now what you have to do is just write the tables. Whatever for number 20 it will go, you have to write. And the numbers what you have written here, 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. So these are the factors. This is how you have to do, find the factors. See the next one, I'll just tell you a small thing. There is one thing, trivial factors. See now what is trivial factors is nothing to worry. What is trivial factors is, see already I taught you for factor 9, 1 9s are 9, 3 3s are 9. I think I told you. See this number 1 itself is a factor. 1, number 1 is itself is a factor. I told you. 1, 3 and 9. I told you the factors for number 9. So this number 1 and the other numbers are called the number itself is called as the trivial factors. See the next one we will go on for find the factor of 72 for 72. Now 236 are 72. 3 into 24. Then 4 18s are 72. 8 9s are 72. 6 12s are 72. Now what are the factors for number 72? How will you write? Now 2 3 4 6 8 9 then 12 then 18 then 24 then 36. So these are the factors for number 72. Now what all it is going for number 72, what are the multiples? You have to start writing it and then write the numbers which are the factors for 72. The next number is 90. The next number is 90. For 90, 245s are 90. 3 30s are 90. 15 6 are 90, 9 10s are 90, 18 5s are 90. So now what are the factors for this? Now what will you write? 2, 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, then 10, 15, then 30 and 45. So these are the factors for number 90. So for 90 now what you have to do? Write all the multiples for 90 and start the number. Write the numbers and these are the numbers for the factors 90. See next one, draw a factor tree. Factor tree for 30. For 30 you have to draw. three different ways. Now for 30, 15 twos are 30. Now 10 threes are 30. Then 5 6 are 30. Now this 15 again what you can do? 3 5s are 15. Then this 10 again you can write it into 2 5s are 10. Then again this 6 can be written into 2 3s are 6. So this is what you call it as a factor tree. Now one more thing for number factor 60. Now how will you draw a factor tree? Same way you have to draw. Now for factor 60, now what will you do? 2 into 30. Now here 15 4s are 60. Then 3 into 20. Now this 30, now what you can do? You can make it as 10 3s are 30. Now again this 10 can be written as 2 5s are 10. Now this 15 4s are 60 I told you. Now 15 can be written as 3 5s are 15. Now this again this 4 can be written. This 4 can be written as 2 2s are 4. Now this 20 can be written as 10 2s are 20. Now again this 10 can be written as 2 5s are 10. So this is what you call it as a factor tree. Now again I'll repeat. See number for 60. 2 30s are 60, 15 4s are 60, 3 20s are 60. This 30 again can be split into 10 3s are. Again this 10 can be split into 2 5s are. Now for this 15 4s are, this 15 can be split into 3 5s are. This 4 can be split into 2 2s are. This 20 can be split into 10 2s are. This 10 can be split into 2 5s are. So this is what you call it as a factor tree. Suppose if we ask you to do a factor tree, this is how you have to do it. Now whatever the number you got, with that number again you have to split it. See the next sum is write factor of 48 and 50. For 48 and 50 you have to do. Now for 48, 48s are 48. 2 into 24s are 48. 3 into 16s are 48. 4 into 12s are 48. 6 8s are 48. So now what are the factors for 48? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. So these are the factors for 48. Now for 50, now how will you do? 1 again 1 50s are 50. 2 into 25s are 50. Then 10 into 5s are 50. 5 10s are 50. So these, now how will you write now? 1, 2, 5, 10, 25 and 50. So these are the factors of 50. So this is how you have to write the factors of 48 and 50. See, the last one in this chapter is a small activity given in your book. Now what you have to do is, you take 24 beads or anything you can take. You take 24 beads or whatever it is, whichever way it will. Now what you do, take 24 beads. Now you can divide in all possible ways and just see and write. It should, the number, the last resulting number should be 0, and write what are the ways you can divide this 12. So now what did I do is 12 beads are divided. Now 24 beads are there. Now what is the question? What you have to do is you have to divide in all possible ways. See, now I'll tell you now how what you can do is. See, now you can divide 2 2. See, 2 2. The resulting number is 0. Matlab, you have to get 0. The result should be a 0. So 12. Now how many times I've done? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So 12, 2 into 12. Now another way also I can do it. See, now what I can do? I can divide into 3 ways also. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now I can divide into 3 ways. This way also I can do it. See? So now what is it? How many times I've done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3 8s are 24. Now there's one another way also I can do it. Now I can do one another way also. 4 4 also I can divide. So now how many times I've done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 6 are 24. I think another way, I think this is the way, these are the 3 ways I can do it. So now what are the factors for number 24? 1 way also, 1 also, so you can just make it separately. 1 1 you can do 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 6, then 8, 12 and 24. So these are the factors. But what is it with the activity is you have to divide in all possible ways, and the last result must be 0. There should be no remaining beads. So this is way you did 2 into 12, 3 8s are, 4 6 are, and even 1 beads you can take it for 24 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. So these are the factors of 24. So with this I think you have understood multiples and factors.